Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to be unboxing the Frigidaire Nugget ice machine. I get asked quite a bit about the ice that I'm using, so I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys so you can see what you get when you buy it from Amazon. I also want to say that I am not affiliated with Frigidaire in any way, shape, or form. I bought this off Amazon with my own money, and I do have a link for it down below in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. I will say that I have seen it listed on Amazon for well over $500, and I did not pay that. I think I paid less than $300 for it. So I know when they get low on quantity, they will price gouge. Don't buy it for over $500 unless you can afford that, because that's not fair. So anyways, I hope you enjoy. These two tubes on the back, one is for draining it so you can clean the machine, and the other one is for recirculating the water through. This machine does not freeze the ice, so it will melt from the bottom down, and there's a reservoir down there. And the tube takes it back up to the top, so it just continuously is making ice, which I think is a really nice feature. And it fills up the bucket in about 2 hours, 20 minutes, I'd say. It's really fast machine, and I do like that a lot. Some of you might be curious how much one full bucket, how many shirts can you make? Well, it really depends on the size of the shirt and how much ice you're going to use. It fills up one of the Dollar Tree bowls, and you see me use those bowls all the time to dump it on top of the project. So the good thing about this is how quick the machine is. I can tie up a shirt, put the ice on, and then go to tie another shirt, and by the time I'm done adding the dye and all of that, the bucket is pretty much full again, and I can just make another shirt. So it's extremely fast. I just really can't say enough about how much I love this ice machine. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.